Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these really cute passion twists. It was my first time and I did fall in love with this hairstyle. Diving right into it, I did use the Epic Water Wave hair and I found this hair at my local beauty store. It was a very cheap option. I think each pack was $2.99 and I ended up using 3 packs. Here I'm showing you guys how I go about prepping the hair. Basically, I take each strand and I run my fingers through to give it a fluff, and with my thumb I just break each side in half to give it a fluffier look. I do 2 pieces per box on my head, and to give it a longer look I just took one of those strands and placed it halfway through the first strand so that it looks a little longer once I start applying. Now the actual crocheting of the hair is very simple. You will be needing a crochet hook for this style. Basically, you take that crochet hook and put it under the rubber band and bring it through the other side. Once you have that little loop that the crochet creates, you take one of the sides of your crochet hair and place it under that loop and then tighten your hair. Now with your actual hair, what you want to do is divide that piece in half and apply some product. I initially used the Ware's Edge Wax for this crochet style, which was a learning experience for me because I did feel like the Ware's Edge Wax weighed my hair down a little too much. So for the next time I do this style, I will be using a product that holds but is not as heavy. So here I'm showing you guys how I go about twisting my hair. And this was also another learning experience. You have to twist the hair left side up. I'm right-handed, so usually for me, I have to twist right side up, but because I wanted this hair to be able to have a holded twist along with like the curly look, I had to twist using my left hand going above my right hand. Here I'm showing you guys again, I take my crochet hook, put it underneath the rubber band, I form that loop, and I take one side of my crochet hair and put it through the loop and I tighten the hair. Then I take my hair, I split it in half, apply some product and begin twisting left side up, which just means that you take the piece that's in your left hand and you twist it over the piece that's on your right hand. Now I do have an upcoming video showing you guys how I went about parting my hair. Depending on when you're watching this video, it's probably already up or coming soon. This parting method can be used for any crochet rubber band method that you'd like to use it for. So the last step is to take some of my Lotta Body foaming mousse just to set my hair one last time underneath the twists. And that's it. That's pretty much how I achieved this look. The parting took about an hour and the actual crocheting and twisting of the hair took about 3 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this video was very helpful. I will see you in my next one. Bye.